Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
What is happening with the festival and tickets? Rolling Loud Portugal 2020 is officially postponed and rescheduled for July 6 to 8, 2021 at Praia da Rocha due to the impact of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic on communities across the world.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Primary market tickets sold out quickly, and prices were not cheap to start, with tickets starting from $529 plus $100 fee for a 3-day GA pass. On the secondary market, tickets start at $857 for a 3-day GA pass. For anyone looking to spend even more, Loud Club tickets are still available, starting at $5,000.
Take our lead.
The event at City Fields in Queens will take place from October 28 to 30 and also feature performances from Lil Uzi Vert, Gunna, Lil Durk, Gucci Mane, Jack Harlow, Polo G, Lil Baby, Playboi Carti, Kodak Black, Rick Ross, Lil Yachty, Roddy Ricch, Lil TJ, A$AP Ferg and Pooh Shiesty, among many others.
Take our lead.
Join the crowd of fans for Rolling Loud Festival's next event on October 28, 2021 at TBD. Spend the day watching a full lineup of outstanding performers play on the stage at the City Field, which is at 12301 Roosevelt Avenue, Flushing, NY. Tickets to see these performances range from $500 to $3,234.
Let's help you make your mark.
For air-conditioned restrooms and early entry to the festival, the ticket costs $499 and fees. General admission at Rolling Loud includes access into the festival for 3 days, access to all food vendors, a wide selection of drink options, art activations, sponsored activations and more.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.